Nobody wants to buy high. You buy low. When the market is coming down because there's little hiccups and Trump want to make a little hiccup to make the market come down, you buy. Use your brain, man. All the billionaires got access to the president. They sit the president down, they holler at him. Yo, I need you to bring this down. I need you to make this come up. I need you to bring this down. I need you to make this come up. Join the rich. You don't have to be rich to join the rich. When you do rich people things, you will become rich. With time. Depending on how much money you preserving and how much capital you saving. Like this. I said this before, and I'm going to say it again. Crumbs turns into breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs turns into a whole loaf. I hope y'all see the stock market been taking a nice hit. That don't mean nothing. It's about time you get some bread up. Join the party. Buying opportunity. Heavy buying opportunity. Facebook been taking a hit. Buying opportunity. Because let me tell y'all this, right? The analysts that bring these stocks down, it's their job. And if you basing your investing off of the news or analysts, you don't need to be investing. And you would never become successful in the investing field by jumping in and out any markets based off the news or analysts. Nobody wants to buy high. The point of the game is to buy low. When your stock that you believe in and you looked at the balance sheet and it got that money, I'm talking about they got that cash and cash equivalents, that money is on that balance sheet. It got more assets than liabilities. The PE ratio is beautiful, under 20. It's a good company, and you see it here in the future. You keep investing. You keep putting your money in. Because let me tell you this, right? I said this before, and I'm going to say it again. Crumbs turns into breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs turns into a whole loaf. Small money turns into big money. Every $1 to yourself right now, young, to all my youngins out there. If you under 30 years old, every dollar right now is $21 to your future self. Understand that. Get an understanding in that so you can stop spending money on stupidity. And it's that easy. You want to know how to win? Get around some people that's winning. They could put you onto some game. And after you learn how to win, then you can learn how to keep the money. Because this is where the problem coming at. You know how many people I know make $100,000, $200,000 a year and they ain't got nothing. All they got is 2 cars, a boat, lawnmower, house, payments, credit cards, go everywhere on credit cards, travel on credit cards. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you save. How much money you got working for you. Real talk. And it's that simple. Or you could sit around and waste time, and be scared of stuff that could bring you to success. Let me tell you this, right? You start to become cocky more in life and start to understand more in life, right? When you got a formula for you to become a millionaire. When you got a formula of success, you take it and run with it, right? And that means now you got a guaranteed plan that could take you to where you need to get to for you and your family. Anything else you do is extra icing on the cake. And I hope y'all not spilling this water I'm dropping right now on my floor. Because let me tell you this, you got to clean it up. It's that simple. You plant corn, you get corn. You don't got to be rich to invest in the stock market. You don't have to be rich to invest in the stock market. I put $125, my first investment, to Apple. I was buying Apple every 2 weeks. Sometimes it might slow up. I might buy once a month. But I'm going to buy something. I'm investing. I'm preserving capital. Did you hear what I not just said? $125. That's being saved and invested, and the money is working, which means it gives me time now that I can fall back and I can study. I could start a new subject. I could start a new project. You understand what I'm saying? When you got something to fall back on, you got to at least have a couple of dollars. You got to have a couple of dollars, something to fall back on before you invest so you don't have to touch investments. The compound interest is beautiful. When you just set it, forget it, you put your money in and you don't need it. Straight up, it's that easy. So while the market is coming down, you buy. You don't start getting scared and start pulling your money out. You buy. Nobody wants to buy high. You buy low. When the market is coming down, because there's little hiccups, and Trump want to make a little hiccup to make the market come down, you buy. Use your brain, man. All the billionaires got access to the president. They sit the president down, they holler at him. Yo, I need you to bring this down. I need you to make this come up. I need you to bring this down. I need you to make this come up. Join the rich. You don't have to be rich to join the rich. When you do rich people things, you will become rich. With time. Depending on how much money you preserving and how much capital you saving. Like this. Yo, man, like, comment, and subscribe. Bam lit the ghetto, man.